Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we reset Bluetooth setting in a Tecno phone. Guys, you want to reset guys your phone Bluetooth setting in a Tecno phone. So how can you reset? Today I will show you guys in this video how to reset phone Bluetooth setting. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting. So after on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting. So when scroll it, so friends you can see your phone system setting. Last one setting is tap on system setting guys, click on your reset option setting guys. You can see Bluetooth setting guys, we will tap here to Bluetooth setting to reset. Then guys you can see setting reset. So your Bluetooth setting has been reset guys. Now you can use your phone Bluetooth setting guys in your Tecno mobile. So like that guys, if you want to reset your Bluetooth setting you can reset. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. And when to event out related to guys your phone reset setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.